Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize multiple videos in Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software on your browser. Now I am create a new slide. Click this plus icon and we can see here many slide template. Now I am using the blank slide. Then select this media icon and go to the choose media option. Now I am choose my video from our file. We can see here two video. You want to select this multiple video, select at once, then click open. Then resize the video one by one. We can see we select insert multiple video easily. You want to resize this multiple video at once, select the multiple video, then resize this at once. Now we can see we resize multiple video at once very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.